Open Source Intelligence, or OSINT. Have you ever wondered how information can be extracted from public sources to uncover hidden truths? In today's digitally connected world, OSINT has become a powerful tool for investigators, journalists, and professionals of various fields. Join us as we unravel the open secret of OSINT and delve into its methods, techniques, and significance in the modern era. In a world where information is readily accessible, open source intelligence, or OSINT, has emerged as a crucial asset for individuals and organizations seeking to gather and analyze data from public sources. This video will explore the importance of OSINT and shed light on the methods and tools used to extract valuable information. The power of OSINT harnesses a variety of methods and techniques to acquire information from sources freely available to the public. These include but are not limited to searching the clear web. By combing through search engines, social media platforms, blogs, forums, and news websites, individuals can uncover information that may otherwise remain hidden. Monitoring social media. The vast amount of data shared on social media platforms presents an excellent opportunity for OSINT practitioners to extract relevant information by analyzing public profiles, posts, and interactions. Analyzing metadata, or information about data, can provide valuable insights. Extracting metadata from files, images, and documents can reveal details such as the device used, geolocation, and timestamps, aiding investigators in piecing together a puzzle. Utilizing advanced search operators. By mastering advanced search operators, OSINT practitioners can perform highly targeted searches, filtering out irrelevant results and focusing on specific information required for their investigation. Employing data visualization techniques. Visual representations of data can help identify patterns, connections, and trends that might not be apparent when dealing with raw data. By utilizing data visualization tools, OSINT professionals can derive deeper insights quickly and efficiently. The significance of OSINT. Extracting information from public sources. The significance of OSINT lies in its ability to extract valuable information from public sources, enabling individuals and organizations to make well-informed decisions. OSINT is utilized across various domains, including investigations. Whether conducted by law enforcement agencies, journalists, or private investigators, OSINT plays a crucial role in gathering evidence, identifying leads, and uncovering connections that aid in solving cases. Business intelligence. Companies can leverage OSINT to gather market intelligence, monitor competitors, and analyze consumer sentiment, enabling them to make informed business decisions and gain a competitive edge. Cybersecurity. OSINT is an essential component of cybersecurity strategies. By monitoring online sources, identifying potential threats, and analyzing vulnerabilities, organizations can proactively protect their digital assets. Journalism. Journalists often rely on OSINT to verify information, fact-check claims, and gather evidence to support investigative reporting. It helps in ensuring accurate reporting and uncovering hidden stories. Personal security. Individuals can use OSINT techniques to conduct online audits of their digital footprint, identify potential privacy breaches, and better protect their personal information from malicious actors. Open Source Intelligence, or OSINT, is an open secret that empowers individuals and organizations with valuable information extracted from publicly available sources. By utilizing various methods, techniques, and tools, OSINT practitioners can uncover hidden truths, solve complex cases, and make well-informed decisions. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of OSINT. We hope this video has shed light on the immense power and significance of open source intelligence. Remember, OSINT is an open secret that everyone must know about, as it holds the potential to unravel mysteries, safeguard security, and navigate the digital landscape.